Hi guys! Good morning guys! Ayan si William. Ihatid pala namin siya sa school niya. Pero nag-ano lang kami. Walk kami ngayon. And maganda to kasi hindi siya mainit. Hanggang maaga pa ba? 7:30 na. Gihangak naman ko uy. Ayan si Waylon guys. Tsaka. Kana. He's drinking. Just hold it. Ayan si Wesley sa harap. How was it, William? Okay ra? Ha? Ikaw, Wilon? Okay ra ka? Okay. Ikaw, Wes? Wesley, okay ra ka? Okay. Oh, not this one, yeah. The third. Look, hold on, William. Wait. Ayan na si William. Kampante na ako guys kasi may police dito at tapos may traffic enforcer din doon sa apat ng school talaga nila. Lalakad talaga siya guys. Kaluoy sa mga anak. Uy, gikapoy tao na siya. Uy, Wilon, naunsa man ka Wilon? Kapoy, wey? Ana, wey, oh? Ikaw, Wesley? Yeah, that's a police car. Nakulbaan ko ni William, guys. Ako ang nakulbaan niya guys.
The next morning.
Good morning guys. So ready na kami lumipat. Nandito pala si Kuya. Kasi tinulungan niya kami para mag-alsa ng mga mabibigat. Tinulungan niya si Tom. So ayan, yung the rest is nasa U-Haul na. And then he's helping. He's the helper. So ayan sila guys. So, ayan guys. Yan yung mga gamit namin and ready na sila mag-drive papuntang Tennessee bukas. So, ang dami pa namin gamit doon. Mga boxes. Hopefully, makasya. So, ayan sila. Ayan si Tom at saka si Kuya Brian. So, wala na kami mga gamit dito guys. Ayan yung malita. Ano na yan? Mga gamit namin yan sa while we're staying here. Ayan si Waylon at saka si William maglalaro. Hi Wes! This Mommy Wes.
Mommy, this is how I throw balls. Like, because Daddy teach me, it's called a fastball. Like that.
You wanna play like that? No? That's scary. Wesley, are you excited to move na? To move to Tennessee? Huh? Are you? Wait, I'm talking to you. Are you? Ay, ayaw na lang eh.
Yes, Mommy.
Ha?
Yes.
Ganahan na siyang makakita Islam?
Yes.
Oh! Ayan na lang, mga kalat na lang yung natira dito. So, ayan yung mga gamit namin. Kanina pinakita ko siya. Tapos, ayan, puno-puno na. Ang daming mga boxes. Huwag na yung mga gamit dito guys na disassemble. So pag maglipat bahay, na ano lang siya. Like di na kaya siya dako kay ma-disassemble man. So ayan, may mga gamit pa doon. Oh. So ito yung mga stroller nila Wilon at saka Wesley guys. Yung iba nito is binigay lang din sa akin, tapos yung iba is binili ko.
The next morning.
Hi guys! Good morning! So it's William's last day here sa Florida. And sa Monday, today is Thursday. So tomorrow magdadrive kami papuntang Tennessee. And then sa Monday, i-enroll ko na siya doon. So yeah, iba kasi yung enrollment dito guys. Ay transfer di ay. So pag galing ka dito, mag-unenroll ka lang. Tapos pagpunta mo doon kung saan ka lilipat, i-enroll mo yung bata. Tapos sila na yung magkuha ng mga records ng bata doon sa old school mo. So hindi kayo siya like maraming ano guys, maraming paperwork na dadalhin. Just enroll him and then sila na yung magkukuha ng mga paper sa old school. So yun lang, madali lang, wala. Hindi ako nagdala ng kahit ano. Nag-email lang ako na unenroll siya and then yun lang. So are you excited? Huh? That's good. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Tulog pa kayo si Wesley boy, oh. So let's go guys. So when you get there, because you always get there early.
Sometimes I get breakfast, but not. So I just walk in.
You will go to your room first.
Yeah. I just go
Then
to my
put your
room.
bag.
Yeah, put my bag on a table,
Mm-hmm.
and then if we need our bags, we just go to it.
What did you eat there usually?
We don't pick it.
Ah, they will give it to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes guys, kasi nasabi ko na sa inyo dati na free breakfast and free lunch sila. So I don't need to prepare lunch for him. So I don't know if sa Tennessee if free breakfast ba sila. So we'll see na lang. Kasi dito sa Palm Beach, every public school ka no free breakfast and lunch. So if kakain siya ng breakfast sa bahay, okay lang. So he doesn't need to be hurry going early. But if you wanna eat breakfast in your school, you have to be early. Like, right, William? Like you will go there before 7:30. So you can eat breakfast.
7:30.
Yeah, but you already eat breakfast.
Yeah.
So you don't need to be hurried. And like you didn't eat breakfast yet, so we have to go there early. Because usually guys, 7:10 nakaano na kami sa bahay. But now we're staying at the Angel's house. Look at si Waylon, oh. Look, Waylon. What? Itong dito ko guys ba, para siyang cup tubig sa Bisaya. Tawag ba dyan? And then para siyang hindi talaga siya makuha kahit nilagyan ko na siya ng cream or something.
Mommy, I used to go outside, but now I don't go outside.
What do you mean?
Yeah, I don't go outside.
Yeah. Hey William, it's very cold ba in Tennessee, William? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ako pa talaga
No, Mommy, I don't go outside anymore.
Yeah,
I
why?
just play inside.
Mhm.
I used to play outside.
Yeah. Now you're a big boy. You're 7 years old. You doesn't want to play outside anymore.
I will play in the snow.
Yeah. But I think snow is on January, December, I think.
When is January?
I'm not sure. Look at the sunset.
Oh, when is
Sunrise,
Christmas in 2 months?
Sunrise.
Mommy, in 2 months is
Yeah.
snow.
Now in Florida, guys, it's fall.
Cold.
It's fall season. And now, today is so cold. But later, mag-iinit na naman to. Iinit na naman to siya, guys.
It's almost about to rain.
No.
Yes, because look at the dark clouds.
Oh, yeah. Look at the sunrise. It's so beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
Wailan! Wesley still sleeping. William, tell your teacher, you say goodbye, teacher, and your classmate, you say bye-bye to your classmate, okay? And then, because we're gonna leave after your school, we're gonna drive. It's like, we changed our plan. That's what your daddy told me. Kasi sana guys, tomorrow yung early morning kami mag-drive. So, he changed his plan na ngayon na lang after picking up William. So, I'm sure, William, you will miss your best friend. He told me he has a best friend here at school. What's his name, William?
Gianni.
Gianni, yeah. Oh, that's the one you gave the book. What's that called?
No, that bookmark.
Bookmark?
Yeah.
Oh, tell your teacher, can you take us a picture, all of us, so I have a remembrance or a memories with them?
And send it to my mom.
Yes. Please, William, okay? Please.
I'm
Please.
sad.
Don't be shy. Just do it, please. And bring everything.
From my desk.
Hmm?
Bring everything from my desk after
Yes.
school.
Yes.
I'm gonna tell her at recess. We might go to recess.
Kiss, mommy. I love you. Love you, Nak. Be good, okay? Don't forget to tell your teacher.
Hey.
Love you, Nak. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So we're going back now and I will get ready for our things. Oh my God, mamimiss ko yung kaibigan ko. Kasi alam niyo yung mga kaibigan ko dito, guys. Disney princess ako, charot. Hindi. Like, pinangga, jud. Like, makaingon jud kang friend talaga. Like, through ups and down. You know? Kasi kanana ay kahit anong mangyari, nandyan talaga sila para sa akin. Like, I can tell them like true friends talaga. Kasi ang dami ko na talagang friend. Like, iba naman yung home friend. Like, home friend is nandyan talaga para sa'yo sa kahit through up and downs. Tama ba? And sila talaga. Kahit umuwi ako sa Pinas ng matagal, sa pagbalik ko, nandyan pa rin sila sa akin. Like, as long as they can help me, they will help, you know? And thankful talaga ako sa kanila. So, now, if we will go to Tennessee, I need to adjust and kananay magsalamuha sa new people again. Sometimes guys, nonchalant ba ako ay? Sometimes like easygoing, sometimes nonchalant. Gusto ko lang mapag-isa, gusto ko sa bahay. Then sometimes gusto kong lumabas, yung mga ganun. So I will miss them, especially sa mga kiddos, yung mga anak ng mga kaibigan ko. And si William din mamimiss. Pero at least ba, like pwede mo lang siya ma-fly, pwede mo lang siya ma-drive. Hindi tulad sa Pinas, ang layo-layo talaga. Like if may occasion, you can just, if you have extra money, you can just have vacation here sa Florida. No, it's very cold in Tennessee now. That's what Tom told me. Sabi sa inyo guys na pumunta pala, I don't know if nag-vlog ba si Tom, pero hindi kasi ako nakapag-vlog. So pumunta na si Tom at saka si Kuya Brian sa Tennessee, tapos dinala yung mga gamit namin. So at least if pagdating namin doon, may higaan na kami, 'di ba? Hindi na yung mag-arrange pa na higaan kasi yun yung importante. Dumating na nga sila kahapon, and ayun, nandoon lang yung mga gamit. At least man lang may matulugan na kami pagdating namin sa Tennessee. Supposed to be tomorrow pa yung plan namin, tomorrow early morning, but now change his plan para daw 4 hours kami makapag-drive, and then nag-book na siya ng hotel, then magda-drive tomorrow morning papunta sa Tennessee. Na hi, Shani! Are you gonna miss this house, Wes? Yes? Okay.
All his memories are in this house.
Yeah, since you were...
His first temper tantrum, his last temper tantrum, 500 temper tantrums in between, screaming, sleepless nights. Oh, on the road.
So, we're ready, guys. And oh, why are you crying? Huh? Are you gonna get out? Kiss ako, kiss ako. If you keep doing that, then I'm not gonna let you get out. Kiss mommy, kiss mommy. Kiss mommy, kiss mommy. Kiss mommy, more. Yay! I love you. Sing sa tabi. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Go skibiring ka ding kiring, skibiring ka dun. I love you. Look, why you have that? It's so cold.
This is not cold.
It's cold.
I already have pants ready for the trip from Georgia to our house.
So, we don't have clothes.
Yeah, you're gonna have to get some when we get there. It's not cold now, it's just cold morning. It was 80 degrees today in Nashville. But me and Brian slept with the heater on the first night because it was down to like 38 degrees.
Oh my gosh. Are you ready for the cold, Wes? Yeah. I'm gonna miss this house. We live here for like 3 years, I think. Okay, hold on. So, ayan guys, itatapon na namin yan kasi hindi naman nagkasya sa amin. Ano guys? Sa truck. Huh? What? Yeah. We need to throw that kasi not gonna fit. Yeah. Can't fit in our truck. Yeah. Oh, it's clean now. Talaga kami, nag-impake na kami sa aming mga gamit. So, supposed to be tomorrow kami magda-drive, but nag-change lang si Tom. So, ngayon na lang kami magda-drive after pick it up William. Picking up William sa schools. Mamimiss ko talaga tong bahay kasi I think nakatira kami for 4 years. Yeah, 4 years. 3 years to 4 years. Wilan, we're gonna miss our house. Are you ready? Are you ready for a long ride? Yes. Say yes, mommy. Yes. Yes, mommy. Good job. High five. High five. High five. Align. Approve. Approve. Pogi. Cheese. Ew. What's that? Bye, house.
Adios, house. Thanks for the memories, house.
Bye, neighbors. Say bye-bye to neighbors, Leslie. Bye, neighbors. Our neighbors. Say bye, neighbors. Just say bye-bye. What?
20 minutes later.
Hi, William. Are you excited now? We're gonna drive now. We're gonna start driving.
Is Daddy in the car?
Yes. He's waiting for us. I think I get. Now we're getting ready. Let's go. No, give me that. On the other side, William, it's easy. Close the door. Hi, Wayla. Careful. Hi, Wes. Hi, Wesley and Waylon.
Take your badge off, bro. So you don't show that.
Give me that ID. Oh, this is you, William boy.
Souvenir. I'm gonna put that in the background.
Yeah. William, oh. It's your book. Waylon, stop pinching your... Can we go to the bathroom first? We're ready, guys. Bye-bye, Florida. We will miss you.
Time for your nonsense.
Hi, guys. So we stopped
Wesley,
at the
stop.
parking lot because Wesley pooped. Ew.
Stop goofing around.
Ay, stress na yung daddy niya. Pues, Waylon, what is that, Waylon?
Chocolate.
Yeah, he can understand now what I'm saying.
Sit. Sit. Stop. Before you mess up my food. You're too big, boy.
What is it, Waylon? What is it? Ew! Uy, you're big boy na gid, Waylon, kasi you can understand what I'm saying, man.
I'm big.
What is it, Waylon? Ew!
Daddy! Daddy!
How was it, Wes? How was it?
Daddy!
Good? It's not hurt anymore?
I'm gonna give Grit a Coke. You're
Me
still,
too.
You want a Coke?
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, I poop now.
Hi guys, I'm cool.
West Palm has palm trees. It's named after. There's no palm trees anymore. You won't see any more palm trees. You'll see Christmas trees and fir trees and forest trees.
Look at them, guys.
No orange trees.
Wipe. William, give him the wipes. William, give him the wipes.
So many.
I can see the countryside now,
Hey,
guys.
that's not in West Palm Beach. Look at all those cows. That's like 1,000,000 hamburgers.
So we're at now.
We're almost to the
Where are we
Georgia
at now?
state line. We're by Lake City, Florida.
So we passed Gainesville already?
Yeah, we're already gone.
So we're ready for tomorrow. So we're gonna stop by Georgia, guys. Then sleep there. And then tomorrow morning we will drive Georgia to Tennessee for like 8 hours. So good luck to us. Look at these boys. They're just behaving now. They're busy. So, we're almost in Georgia, guys. Malapit na kaming makagawa sa Florida. So, I will miss Florida. So, maybe I will just go visit, you know. Oh, sorry. If I have time, if I have fun, may panahon.
20 minutes later.
It's 10 minutes, guys, and we're out in Florida. So You say bye-bye to Florida now. Bye, Florida.
Bye, Florida.
Bye-bye. So, malapit na kami sa Georgia. Tingnan nyo, yung mga puno, guys, oh. I can't see it. Bye, Florida! Now, guys, we're here in Georgia now. Bye, Florida! Welcome to Georgia. This is my first time here. And the kids.
First time in Georgia.
Oh, look at that. Why it's like that? Because of the hurricane or
Yeah, the hurricane.
oh. Ano yung mga puno? I thought because it's fall season.
No. See that sign? That was hurricane damage.
So damage pala yan ng hurricane, guys. So tingnan niyo yung mga puno, guys.
You should see there's trees down there.
Oh my god.
This is in Georgia, so it came through Florida. It was still knocking trees down in Georgia. I think you'll actually see more damage in Georgia than you saw in Florida.
Yeah.
Because they were cleaning a lot of it up still. They were cutting it.
Tingnan nyo nga yan, guys. Na dahil yan sa hurricane. Ang dirty ng ano namin salamin eh. So nandito na kami sa hotel, guys. So hindi pa nakabihis, galing pa siya sa school. Ayan si Wesley Boy and Waylon.
Mommy, did you get Sprite?
Yes. Hi Wes. Cold Wes? Later. You can have this later when we get there. You have to wait, Wes. Waylon. It's very cold here. Guess my... Hi. It's cold, guys. It's not cold in Westbound. Hi. Say hi. Cold. No. No. Look.
I mean, honestly, guys, me and Brian sent you pictures of what the temperature was in Tennessee.
Yeah.
So we did our part and warned you. Go, stop opening
No,
the
you told me that it's not that cold.
It's not good.
Wesley.
Close the door. Close the bag. You're just.
You told me it's not that. You don't worry. It's not that cold when you get there. You sent me a picture, and then when I asked you earlier, you said that it's not that cold. Even in Georgia. Okay, we're here now. Yes.
Wait.
No, don't touch.